everyone, welcome to my channel, Inggrisan Yuk. Today's video is called, Can you spot the mistake? So, hari ini kita mau test your English. The rules are simple. Find the mistake and then correct it. So, I'm going to show you some sentences and each one has a small mistake. Jadi, saya akan menunjukkan beberapa kalimat dan setiap kalimat ada kesalahannya. Tugas teman-teman adalah menemukan kesalahan itu dan memperbaikinya. So the mistake can be error in tenses, error in preposition, or maybe error in the word itself. Jadi teman-teman bisa menghilangkan kata yang tidak perlu, menambahkan kata yang diperlukan, atau mengganti kata yang salah. Okay, are you ready? Jangan lupa dicatat skornya ya, so you can share it in the comments. Number 1. She didn't told me the truth. The correct sentence is, she didn't tell me the truth. After didn't, we use the base form of the verb, not the past form. Sentence 2. He is married with a doctor. We say, he's married to a doctor. We use married to, not married with. Kalau kita menggunakan married with, maka artinya berbeda. Contohnya, he's married with 2 children. Artinya dia sudah menikah dan mempunyai 2 orang anak. Okay, we continue to sentence number 3. I'm looking forward to see you. I'm looking forward to seeing you. In this expression, after to, we use the ing form. Sentence number 4. She said me the answer. The correct sentence is, she told me the answer. We say tell someone, but say something. Okay, next sentence. I have visited Paris last year. I visited Paris last year. We don't use present perfect with a specific time like last year. Next. The news are very exciting. It should be, the news is very exciting. News is uncountable, so we use is. Next sentence. He's good in playing football. We say, he's good at playing football. We use good at, not good in. Next sentence. I prefer tea than coffee. It should be, I prefer tea to coffee. We say prefer A to B. Next sentence. She said that she will come. The correct sentence is, she said that she would come. In reported speech, we usually change will to would. Next sentence. I wanted to drink tea. I wanted to drink tea. When 2 verbs are used together in a sentence, if the first verb is in past form, then after to, we use the base form. I wanted to drink tea. Next sentence. It depends of the situation. It depends on the situation. Always say depend on. Next sentence. Can you borrow me your pen? Can you lend me your pen? You borrow from someone, but you lend to someone. Next sentence. She is the most tallest student. It should be, she is the tallest student. We don't use most and tallest together. So in this sentence, most is not required. She is the tallest student. Next sentence. He's afraid to dogs. He is afraid of dogs. Afraid of, not afraid to. Next sentence. I'm interested about history. I'm interested in history. We always say interested in. Next sentence. She's married since 2010. She's been married since 2010. This sentence means that she was married in 2010 and still married till present. So we say she's been married since 2010. Next sentence. He told that he was tired. Remember, we tell someone, but we say something. So he said that he was tired. Next sentence. I'm not agree with you. I don't agree with you. Agree is a verb, so we use don't and not am not. And we normally don't use agree with present continuous tense. So we don't say I am not agreeing with you, but we say I don't agree with you. Next sentence. The police is coming. It should be the police are coming. Police is a plural noun. Last sentence. Her parents are angry to her. Her parents are angry with her. We don't say angry to someone, but angry with someone. Or you can also say her parents are angry at her. Tapi biasanya kita menggunakan angry at itu lebih emotional, a bit stronger. Tapi biasanya we use angry with someone or angry at something. Jadi kita marah kepada seseorang itu angry with, tapi kita marah karena suatu keadaan atau suatu benda, kita mengatakan angry at. Great job everyone! How many mistakes did you catch? Did you get all the mistakes? Write your score in the comments and tell me which one was the hardest. Nah, apakah kalian suka cara belajar yang seperti ini? Tell me in the comments so I can make more videos like this. Semoga video ini bisa membantu kamu dalam meningkatkan bahasa Inggrismu. And you can also encourage me to make more video dengan cara like this video, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the notification so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for listening and see you later. Inggrisan yuk!